Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so it's been 3 months since Apple had launched iPhone 15 and I have been using this iPhone 15 Plus for the past 3 months and I have done a lot of usage on this iPhone. So I would like to share you what exactly this iPhone 15 review stands after 3 months and whether is it worth buying iPhone 15 in 2024. So do watch this video till the end. Talking about the built-in design of this iPhone 15 Plus, so at the back it has Corning Gorilla Glass and same is at the front. It is also having Corning Gorilla Glass, and if you look at the sides, so it is made out of aluminum frame. So on the left hand side you have the volume rockers and my all-time favorite, the mute switch, which I use almost every single day. And then on the other hand you have the power on off button. At the bottom you have the speaker grills and the USB type C. Yes, Apple has introduced USB type C from this year from iPhone 15 models, and so the edges are a bit rounded and it's not as sharp as it was in previous years models of iPhone 14. And then the camera module at the back. So talking about the weight of this phone, yes, it's just 201 grams. It's not that heavy, and yes, it feels quite good on my hand. Yes, the iPhone 15 is a bit smaller than this, but iPhone 15 Plus, it's not that bulky as well. And so it supports dual SIM, one nano SIM and one eSIM, and it is IP68 rated with dust and water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. So yes, this iPhone 15 Plus, it comes in 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display with HDR10 plus Dolby Vision, and the brightness, it goes up to 2000 nits. I mean, even in bright sunlight I have used and there's no issues on this phone. And guys, so before moving forward to the next segment, if you are into my channel for the very first time, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, because I'll be bringing some more amazing videos into my YouTube channel. This iPhone 15 Plus comes in ceramic glass shield, but yes, if you see closer, I am giving some more protection by using a tempered glass on this iPhone 15 Plus. So iPhone 15 Plus comes with iOS 17 out of the box, and it is upgradable up to iOS 17.2 up till now. And this phone has Apple's A16 Bionic chip. So literally guys, I mean, if you scroll down anything, any list of videos, or you are opening the social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, if you are scrolling down the news feed, I mean, you wouldn't feel any lag on this phone, and I haven't felt any lag of any sort on this phone while scrolling down through any list of contents. So if you ask me, 60 Hz of refresh rate in iPhone or Android's 120 Hz of refresh rate, still I would be preferring to go with iPhone's 60 Hz of refresh rate, because it is very well optimized on iPhones. Yes guys, iPhones are very costly and it's very important to keep these iPhones protected with a good case. So I am using this iPhone 15 Plus case. So this is from Ringke and it has got some really good protection. So for more details, you can click on this link. So yes, coming to the camera module, the main camera is 48 megapixel wide camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and yes guys, it has twice x zoom. So even if you are clicking a photo with the 48 megapixel camera with a 2x zoom, then your pics won't be pixelated and it will be quite crisp and clear. I have clicked a lot of pictures over the last 3 months, so let me show you some of the snaps which I have taken using this iPhone 15 Plus. so you get a fair idea of how this camera works in different lighting conditions. And coming to the video recording of the main camera, so yes, you can record 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. And guys, I have tried video recording in almost different environments. So to be very honest, I'm quite impressed with the video recordings. And yes, if you take a look at my recent travel vlogs, so all the vlogs I have taken using this Apple iPhone 15 Plus camera, and the video recording is phenomenal. So guys, this video I'm shooting on iPhone 15 Plus, and I'm sure my voice is quite audible out here, and there is a lot of people out there in the background, but I'm sure you are able to listen to my voice quite clearly. And did you guys claim your free Apple Music for 6 months if you have bought the latest iPhone 15 models? If not, then just go ahead and claim it now. And then guys, this dynamic island. I mean, before in previous models, iPhone used to give the premium features like the dynamic island in the Pro models, but this time they have given it on this iPhone 15 model as well. So in 15 Plus, I'm using this dynamic island and it's fantastic. I mean, it's just like a secondary screen over here on this phone. So coming to the battery of this iPhone 15 Plus, so it has a 4383 mAh lithium-ion battery, and yes, from the beginning itself, if I'm charging this iPhone up to 100%, then easily it is lasting for 1.5 to 2 days very easily. But yes, it depends on the amount of usage you do on your iPhone 15 series. But yes, personally, I'm using this phone for a lot of video captures, video editings, and a lot of stuffs like that, but still I'm getting easily 1.5 days on this iPhone 15 Plus. So coming to the colors of iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, so both these variants comes in 5 color variants, that is black, pink, yellow, green and blue, and black is my personal favorite. And for iPhone 15 Pro, it comes in 4 color variants: natural titanium, white titanium, blue titanium and the black titanium. So iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus comes in 3 storage variants: 128 gigs, 256 gigs and 512 gigs. And yes, I'm using this 256 gigs, the matte black variant of iPhone 15 Plus. And talking about the Pro variants, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max models comes in 4 variants, that is 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs and the 1 TB variant. And guys, if you ask me about the Face ID of this iPhone 15 series, guys, it's super fast. Yes, just like that. And coming to the price segment of these iPhone 15 models, so iPhone 15 starts at 79,999, 15 Plus starts at 89,999, and coming to the Pro models, the iPhone 15 Pro that starts with 134,900 and Pro Max model starts with 159,900, and the top variant of iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 TB variant goes up to 1,999,000. And so if you ask me about heating issues and all on this iPhone 15 Plus, then frankly speaking, not even once this phone was even a bit warm while charging or while heavy usage of this iPhone 15 Plus. I have never felt any heating issues so far during my 3 months of usage. But yes, users have complained about a lot of overheating on iPhone 15 Pro Max models. Yes, that I have also received quite a lot of feedback from some of my viewers that a lot of overheating issues have been noticed on the Pro models because of the titanium bodies. But yes, Apple has rectified that issue of late with some software updates. And so, with Google Pixel 8 series already out there in the market, and then Samsung Galaxy S24 series is set to be released soon in January next year. So, those will be tough competitors for Apple iPhone 15. But yes, if you go by my words, then Apple iPhone 15 will still be the phone to beat in the year 2024. And so guys, I think you have got a fair idea of how this iPhone 15 Plus have fared after a 3 month of heavy usage, and you have got all the details which are required for buying this iPhone in the next year. So that's it for now. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.